times itself gives you that x to the x fourth? X squared. So we have 2x squared and a 2x squared. Now, what are my signs when I have difference of squares? Plus and minus. It doesn't matter what order. Okay. What times itself is 25? 5. Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys made that connection or not. The goal is if you were to FOIL this out, if you took first times first, outside times outside, inside times inside, last times last, you get back to here. That's why they do the plus and minus sign, so that those middle terms cancel. Okay. Now you always have to check, this is a square, but 2 is not a square, so we're done. You might have to do it again. Okay. Number 7, is there a greatest common factor there? No. Okay, so step 1 is done. Step 2, how many terms are here? 2. Remember, look at your x. That's an x squared. So that's a square. Is 16 a square? Is there a minus sign? So we can keep going. X squared is a square because x times x is x squared. Okay. Difference of squares. So we have x and x. Plus and minus. What? 4. Love it. These are not squares, you can't go any farther. If they're just a regular x, you can't keep going with those. Number 10, what can we take out of there? Yeah, let's take out a 4, x squared, good, and what else? A negative, thank you. So we're going to take out a negative 4x squared. Okay, that leaves me with what? 4, good. Remember to change your signs because negative 16 divided by negative 4 is positive. X to the third minus what? Can you take 4 out of 250 evenly? Do you have a calculator? I don't know. Do you have a calculator? 250 divisible by 4? Is 250 divisible by 4? No, so I can't take out 4. What can I take out? Let's take out a 2 then. Let's take out 2x squared. What does this leave? 8 x to the third. You guys were the ones that told me I could take out 4. Well, should have it ready to go at all times.
I left it.
All right, 8x to the third minus what?
125.
125. Love it. All right, look at your x's here. That's a cube. Not check for cubes. Is 8 a cube? Is 125 a cube? And remember, you have rules for either adding or subtracting for cubes, so it doesn't matter. So small parenthesis, big parenthesis. Negative 2x squared goes along for the ride. Okay, look for your signs. You don't have to memorize this. If this is a minus, go ahead and look. Oh, that's a difference. It goes minus, plus, plus. Okay, so go ahead and write minus, plus, plus. Okay, how can I get to this 8x to the third? 2x, love it. Remember, fill in this little guy first. How do I get to the 125? 5. Yep. Now we're doing that. Now to figure this out, we only take and deal with this guy, okay? This one squared, so what's 2x times 2x? 4x squared.
I remember.
Nice. Middle term, you multiply them. 10x, love it. Last term, this one squared, so 5 times 5, 25.
Wait, when we square the first term, we have to write up the answer to it?
Yes, right here. No.
Why did that whole verse not? It wasn't
Most of the
that
time there isn't a number in front, so then it's fine. Yeah, but you do need to remember to square that number also. It's a good question. We always have to do, yes, the whole thing. Okay, and then I always look here. Oh, that's not anything more. And I don't know how to do anything with 3 terms yet, so I can be done. $13, what's step 1?
Take out 7.
Take out what you can, which is negative 7. greatest common factor.
Yes, Kaylee.
So I'm left with x to the third
Plus 8 plus 8.
plus, thank you. You guys have that down, plus 8. Okay, look at your x's. That's a cube. Is 8 a cube? Yep, small parenthesis, big parenthesis. -7, he's your tag along friend. Okay, it's a plus sign. So how do my signs go?
Plus, minus, plus.
Plus, minus, plus. How do I get to x to the third? Love it. How do I get to 8?
2.
Okay, this one is that first term squared. X squared. Middle term is m multiplied. 2x. Last term is that last term squared.
4.
4. I don't know how to do anything with 3 terms, and these ones are just plain, so they can't go any further. Good? Feeling good?
No.
Not yet. We're going to keep going. We're going to finish the column. You'll feel really good after that. The first column, yep. The first one column. Yep. All right. Anything I can take out between 9 and 144? Is 3 divisible by, is 144 divisible by 3?
Yes.
No idea.
Yes.
Okay. 3 is. How about anything bigger? Is 9 go into 144?
No.
All right, let's take out 9 because we want the greatest common factor. We want the biggest number we can
Would
take
it
out.
be wrong? Like, would it make the whole problem wrong?
It's not going to be as simplified as it could. Okay. So keep going. This would be x to the 4th minus 16, you just said. Okay, well, this is 2 terms. That's a what?
Square.
Square. Is 16 a square?
Yes.
Is there a minus sign in between?
Yes.
Oh, that's a difference of squares. So 2 sets of parentheses. Yep, that's why you have your list of squares and your list of cubes on your blue sheet if you brought your notebook.
Yes. I got that now.
Okay, what times itself is x to the 4th?
X squared.
X squared. So they go there. Remember, one's a plus, one's a minus. And then how did I get to 16? 4 times 4. Okay, check.
Hold on.
That's a square. Is that a square?
We have to go again.
Is that a minus sign?
Could we have known that before we started this process?
This is the process. Can I keep going? Yeah, can I keep going on this one? No, why can't I? Because it's a plus sign. So, but this guy, he can turn into something. He can do an x plus 2 and an x minus 2, right? But remember, he's just him. So what happens with this stuff? He just goes along to the right. You carry him down. Yep, he goes along to the right. So we need the 9 and the x squared plus 4. Kind of ran out of room. All right, 19. Can I take out anything out of 8 and 125?
4.
4 doesn't come out of 125 nicely, does it?
Yeah.
No.
Wait.
So
2.
step 2, are they cubes?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all cubes. Let's do that. Small parenthesis, big parenthesis. Okay. What times itself 3 times gets you to 8?
2.
2. And an x. Good. Okay, it's a plus sign in the middle. So what are your signs?
Plus, minus,
Plus, minus, plus. Love it. How do I get to 125?
5.
5 times 5 times 5. So that's how I get the 5. This one is that first term squared. 4x squared. Good. Middle term.
10.
10x. Last term. 25. Remember, I don't know how to do anything with 3 terms yet. And this one doesn't have any squares or cubes. So we are good. $22. What can I take out of 22?
In the middle of a yawn.
Take out a 3. Let's do that. I'm left with x squared plus 9x minus 2.
These are all squares.
Are they? Do I know how to do anything with 3 terms?
No.
Not
Yeah.
yet. So what does that mean?
We're done.
Done.
You know, I saw a teacher on TikTok yesterday telling me everything you know in algebra 1 the rest of my expectations.
It's true.
And
It's true. It's true. 25.
I got so many why questions on the series and I forgot.
What can we do? X2. So I'm left with 7x to the 3rd minus x minus 12. Do I know how to do anything with 3 terms?
Nope.
Not yet. Don't forget the yet in there. I know you're excited about next week. You can tell.
Nope yet.
Nope yet. I love it. Real good English, aren't we? Okay, what can we do here? I say go to 4. Let's do that.
Did you do anything with that last problem anyways? The 7 was in a 2.
Right, but we don't know how to do 3 terms yet.
So might not have.
We're gonna learn that next week.
I'm
I'm gone next week.
Oh, shucks. It'll be real rough for you guys if you're not here. Take out the 4. X squared plus 2. Well, that's a square. Is 2 a square? No, and is there a minus sign anyway? Nope, so that means you are done. Okay, you have 20 more of those to do, but right now I need you to stop and do your other thing.